Okay, Shravan, let's see here. Now we have to learn comparing angles. Okay, let's see here. Suppose there are two angles. Okay, uh, to any two angles can be compared by placing them one over the other. Okay, that is by supreme position. Supreme position. Okay, yeah. Okay, the superimposing the vertex of the angle must overlap. Okay, as an example, suppose there is an angle, this one, this is angle, let it be A, B, C. Okay, and there is the another angle which is P, Q, R. Okay, so here we have to place them one over the other. Okay, as an example, uh, let it be the first one. Okay, this is the P Q R. Okay, and now we have to overlap or place this angle to the this angle. Okay, by keeping the vertex same. Okay, on the same point, so it will be like this. See here, it will be like this. Okay, is it clear now? So here it is A, here it's B, and it's C. So in this way, Q and B will become the same common point. Okay, is it clear? And now here easily you can say that the angle, which angle is less? Angle PQR is larger, right? Than angle ABC, right? So in this way we can compare the two angles. Okay, is it clear? Okay now. Now the second thing is equal angles. Okay, this is comparing angles. Okay, in that one the equal angle. So when you will if the corner of the any two angles match and arms overlap with each other, okay, then the angles are equal to each other. Okay, as an example you can see here equal angles. Okay, so suppose there is angle, wait, this is angle AOP. Okay, hmm. And there is a second angle PQR. Okay, PQR. Now we have to place it one over the other. Okay, so when we will take the first angle AOB. Okay, and now we will take the second angle and place it over then at that time you will see or you will notice that the vertices will be same, okay, and the arms are the arms overlap with each other, okay. Is it clear? P, here it's Q and R, okay. So the vertices will vertex overlap, okay, and as well as the arms also overlap with each other, okay. So in this way we can say that ki AOB and PQR are same equal angles, okay. What here we can say that angle AOB and angle PQR are equal angle, okay, equal angles. Is it clear? In this way AO overlap to PQ and BO overlap to QR, okay. AO overlap to PQ and BO overlap to QR. Is it clear or any doubt? No. Now the second thing is comparing angles without superimposition, okay. Over comparing angles without superimposition, okay. Superimposition, okay. Imposition. So let's see here. Suppose we have two angle, okay. Hmm. A O B, okay, and the second one is X Y and Z, okay. So in this way we can compare both these angles without superimposition through a transparent circle, okay. In this way we have to take a circle, okay. So let us place the circular paper on the first angle, okay. You have to place the circular paper on the first angle. The circle is placed in such a way that its center is on the vertex of the circle, okay. Its center will come on the vertex of the circle, okay. Is it clear or any doubt? It will be like this, see here, like this, okay. Here it's the center, okay, center of the circle, and the vertex are also same, right? The vertex and the center are also same, okay. Let us make the point A and B in this way on the edge of the circle, as you can see here, okay. Here is the A and here I take it as B, okay, which is on the edge of the circle, okay, where the arms and the angle passes through the circle, okay. Is it clear? Hmm. Now on placing this on the other angle, that is XYZ, we can find the angle is greater than or equal or smaller than the first angle, okay. Is it clear? So you have to do the same in the same way for the second one, okay, like this will be. Here will be the center, okay, and it will be like this. So the greater circle means greater angle and the smaller circle means smaller angle, and if it will be same, then we can say that they are same angles, okay. Is it clear or any doubt? No. Now if you want to note down these things, you can note down, okay. These are the basic things, okay. Hmm. And now let's open the next page. In next page there are some questions, right? Figure it out. So can you do it by yourself? It's too simple. Fold the rectangular sheet, then draw a line along the folds created. Name the angles formed between the fold and the sides of the paper, okay? Make different angles in a rectangular sheet of paper and compare the angles, okay? Which is largest and what is this? Can you please read it? It's not showing in the
Sir, which is the largest or the smallest you made?
you
Smallest
make.
you made.
Very good. So can you do it by yourself?
Okay, sir.
Here you have to take a rectangular sheet, okay?
Okay,
Like
sir.
this. Hmm. Okay. You have to create a rectangular sheet and then you have to fold this sheet. Suppose I am folding with this mark, okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Just wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Let's see here. So when you will fold it from here, you will get the four angles, right?
Yes,
One
sir.
will be here, first, second, okay, third, and fourth, okay, like this. Is it clear? Suppose this is
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, and D, okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have to check which angle is greater one, which is a smaller one, okay. So here you will get कि angle 2 will be less than the angle 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Angle 2 will be less than angle 1 and angle 3 will be less than angle 4, okay? And here angle 1 will be equal to angle 4 and angle 2 will be equal to angle 3, okay? If you want
Okay,
to
sir.
do it practically, you can do it. So 1 and 4 will be the largest angle and 2 and 3 will be the smallest angle, okay?
Okay, sir.
In the second question, in each case, determine which angle is greater and why. So this is very easy question. Okay, here you have to just check the angle. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Raman. Let's see here. So the second question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. See here. This is angle A, O, and here it's C. Right. Here it's B.
Yes, sir.
It's Y, and here it's X. Okay. So the first question is angle AOB or angle XOY. So you have to check which one is greater and why. Can you please tell me which one is greater, AOB or XOY?
Um, sir, AOB.
AOB is the greater one. Very good. Why?
Sir, I don't know how to explain it. How is it bigger?
Okay, no problem, dear. Simply you can say that ki AOB has more sides, right? Than XOY, na? If you will see
Yes, sir.
the interior region for AOB, it will be this one, the whole one, right?
Yes,
AOB,
sir.
this whole. But when you will see for interior of XOY, it will be only this one, only this part, right?
Yes, sir.
Only this part will be the interior, not this one and not this one. Okay, so that's why AOB will be the more or greater than XOY. Similarly, can you do for AOB or angle XOB? AOB and
Okay.
XOB.
Okay,
It's
sir.
also too simple. right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can do for angle XOB or angle XOC, right? XOB and XOC. I think the both will be XOB and XOC.
Yes, sir. Exorcist.
XOC and XOB. Both will be equal, right?
Yes, sir. Both will be equal.
Very good. Okay. So you have to complete this two question as a homework. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss about, I think it is practice problem, na?
Yes, sir.
So please try the practice problem also by yourself. Then we will continue with types of angles. Okay.
Okay,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay.